So after I open this up, I'm going to tell you that I cannot, in good conscience, put those other FL820S filters on my truck and be able to sleep at night. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is one that is more of an just so you know type of thing. As Ford fans, we've all grown accustomed to Ford Motorcraft oil filters as being kind of the standard of filters that we use. I recently ran into a situation where I noticed that the FL820S was going up in price. And so I bought 6 of them at Walmart for $3.97. If I go over there right now, it's 8 something. So they've gone up approximately $5 just from what they were 2 weeks ago. And I figured I'm going to get ahead of the curve. I'm going to buy as many of these at $3.97 as I can and have them handy sitting around. Well, guess what? I'm not going to be using them because I cut one open. If you know me, you know I like tools. I bought this thing on Amazon and I cut one open and it's right here. Now, I've also got an FL1A. This has been sitting on my shelf for a while. You can see all the dust. I want to say probably at least 2-3 years old, been sitting on my shelf. And based on my findings between these two, I'm going to guess we've got a new manufacturer. Let me just show you some of the things that we've all been accustomed to over all these years. I understand this is not an apples to apples comparison, but in the past these have been extremely similar. The one thing between these two, probably the biggest difference between these two in quality, is this S stands for silicone, for a silicone drain bag valve, while the FL1A still utilizes rubber. However, it still is more pliable than other rubber ones that I've felt in the past. Let's look at this nice, very nice. I'm going to guess this may have still been a Purolator made filter right here. Extremely nicely done. Very consistent, spaced pleats. And then, as we've all been accustomed to with Motorcraft filters, this has the metal end cap. If you've been around Motorcraft filters for a while, you may have this socket for your filter, which fits these older styles. That was the first clue to me that we've changed vendors with these filters, because this is not this style. This is actually the same style that like Fram and Wix. This is the more common style. But for years, Motorcraft has used this older style. Now, unfortunately, I opened this before I thought this could be useful information on a video. And I actually started this because I just wanted to compare it to a Wix that I had. And I'm going to tell you, the Wix cleaned its clock. We're going to open this up. Okay, open this thing up and I already got junk falling out. See this black silicone? Okay, when I open this up, I have video of me scraping this off, but you got to just see that this stuff, it just, your finger and it comes right off. Now, this was all over the place, and it looked to me like someone had dragged their finger across this. You can see there's glue all the way up in here. It's just not professionally made at all. The pleats are not the way we've grown accustomed to having our filters with the Motorcraft logo on them. Right here, these are joined with glue. And in fact, if you look right here, this looks to me like it could possibly be separated. I just want to show you all the crap that came off of this. All of that came off this filter. And while, you know, I'm not going to claim to be an expert on oil filters, I understand that that was on this side of the media. But if for some reason, somehow all that crap got in my motor, I would not be happy. I'm going to tell you that this stuff up here could very easily find its way into your motor if it comes loose. It's not what I've grown accustomed to. I am switching to wicks. I have the lowest end wicks. In fact, it's what they make for MicroGuard. It's basically their parts house filter, and that just beats the shorts off this. If you stick around for a second, I'll compare that filter media to this, and I think you'll agree with me. I'm disappointed. I will also tell you, I spoke to 2 people at Ford Motor Company today that say someone will be getting back with me regarding this. I was not in an attempt to gain anything from this. However, I think that Ford should know what's going on inside these if they're going to be putting their name on them. I think I'm going to be taking those other 5 back to Walmart. Might cut another one open just to compare. What do you guys think? Put it down in the comments. Should I give another one of these a go? Look inside, see if it's the same as this. I will record that one. Tell me what you think. If you have anything you want me to cut open, let me know. Donations are welcome. Send them to me. I'll cut them open. Or in the description, you can PayPal me and tell me what you want, and I'll go pick it up. I want everybody to know what they're getting. For those of you that are Dukes of Hazzard fans, we're getting co-advanced here. It's not Bo and Luke. For those of you that stuck around to see the wicks comparison, this was purchased on Rock Auto as a wicks. It says comes in different packaging. I can tell you without a doubt it is made by Wicks. If you really want me to go into all the details of how I know it's a Wicks, that's fine. But I will tell you 100% it's a Wicks. And this is the media. In fact, let me plop this back open. And we will do a comparison. Anyway, do yourself a favor. Do some homework. Or let me do the homework for you. Send me the stuff. I'll cut it open for you. I'll send you pictures, whatever. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Mostly subscribe. Well, and comment. Tell me what you think. Was this a fair, accurate assessment in your personal opinion? Let me know. Take care. See you guys.